Hi and welcome to Mike's Guitar Workshop, where you can win wonderful prizes. No, there's no prizes here. The only prize here is knowing that you too can do exactly what I do with just some very basic tools and taking a bit of care. So join me on my journey and yeah, let's get cracking. Right, in today's episode, a lady brought this guitar in. Basically for a restring, but I just noticed that the action was extremely high. I did measure it and it measured 5 millimeters, which is obviously way too much. We're going to aim to bring that down to 2.6, which is a bit more respectable, by shaving down the saddle. Yeah, let's get cracking. I'm going to use the old strings to be doing this modification, and then I'll put the new strings on later. So I'm just going to remove these. I've already checked the relief. The relief is actually very good, well, nothing wrong there. So it's just actually a matter of lowering the action. Right, just find a nice flat file. You've got your mark and some nice long strokes, a bit of patience, and you can turn it around a few times, it's not a problem. But just find a nice good square and square it up. And make sure there's no light coming through from the other side. We're aiming for 2.6. And we have 2.5. Well, I would say that's good to go. Let's see this side. Right, let's clean her up, string her up. And see what we get. Right, let's just clean these frets up quickly. Well, thanks for joining us on this episode. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Subscribe if you like to, and we'll see you on the next one.